Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the animation to text template in CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm going to add one image to the track and I'm going to add text template. Just click text and select text template, and you can add the text template variable here. That's your light. And I'm going to just for iteration this template, and you can see the text template, but you cannot see the animation option right here. So I'm going to change the text for, and to add the animation to text template, you are just going to select the clips and right click, select create component clip. So after that, you can find the animation option. Just click on it and yeah, select the animation here. Right, for another example, I'm going to select the black screen background and add text template. Select the clips and right click, select create component clip. So go to animation and select the animation you like. Right. You can see I'm going to add the combo animation, blend. Just download the animation. Right. That's how you can add the animation to text template. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.